Shout out Mott's Fruit Snacks. What is up, the wonderful world of YouTube? And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kalia, and if you are returning back to my channel, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to achieve this eye makeup look right here. It is a brown smoky eye, and I think it's perfect for the summertime because it really warms up your face and super simple, and it's not super dramatic either. So yeah, let's get right into it. So I already did my brows and I prepped my eyes already. And for today's look, I'm going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to use my Morphe B81 brush, and I'm going to go into this top color right here. And I'm just going to buff that into my crease. Then I'm going to be going into this yellow right here. It kind of looks orange on camera, but it's a really deep golden yellow. And I'm also going to put that into my crease. So now that I got my eyes a little warmed up with that yellow, I'm going to start going into the more darker brown shades. I'll go into this one right next to it, next to that yellow. And I think, oh wow! I didn't even know the names on the back. Like, I never look at the back of my palettes. That's why everybody talks about. So if you guys wanted to know, the first shade that I'm going into, or that I went into, is MFEO. Then I went into Creamsicle, and now I'm gonna go into Butter. Ooh, wow. I was wondering why I watched people review this palette and they're talking about the different names, and I was like, I don't know why I don't have the names on here. Now I know. And I'm gonna focus this solely onto my crease and below. Now taking a Morphe B38 brush, it's like a smaller blending brush, I'm going to go into this color right here, and it's called, ooh, it's called Pukey. Very appealing. I'm just gonna take some of that and work that into my crease too, to darken it up a bit. My beauty blender is rolling around everywhere. Now before going into the next shade, I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and I'm going to blend out all that shadow so that there's no harsh lines. And especially with a smoky eye, you want everything to be blended out pretty well. Maybe I'm going to go into my Morphe 35O. I'm going to go with this chocolatey red brown. And that's also going to go in my outer V and my crease, but below my crease. So next I'm going to take a flat shader brush and I'm going to start off light for the lid color. I mean, not super light, but with the lighter brown, and then work my way up to make it a little bit darker. So I'm actually going in with the Morphe 350 again, and I'm gonna take this color right here. I'm just gonna straight up pack it onto my lid. So don't worry about all of this fallout going on because I still have to do my face, so it's gonna go away. I'm gonna take this very chocolate brown at the bottom and build that into my crease. I'm really just winging this right now because I haven't done this look in a while. And then I'm also gonna go back with that yellow that I originally used from the Morphe, or the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, the Creamsicle. And I'm gonna put it above, all the way up here to kind of bring that color back. Because I feel like it faded a little bit. Alright, so actually I'm not going to do the highlights now because I still need to do my face. So I'm going to do that first and I'm going to be back. Alright, I'm back and I did my face. But my heart is broken because I was trying to open my palette and my finger slipped. And my nail scraped one of the shadows and now it's like broken up and all gross. Now it's stuck in my nail. It was like the really deep green. This makes me so sad. Crisis averted, I cleaned it up, but I also went in with that darker chocolate brown that we put in the crease at the end, and I packed it onto the lid because I thought the lid color that I had on was too light and I wanted it to be more smoked out. So I did that, and now I'm going to do my bottom lash line right quick. I'll go into the Creamsicle and just slightly put that under. I actually already kind of have shadow on my lower lash line from just it transferring when I was blending above my lid. But just add a little bit more. Then I'm going to go into the pukey color again right here. And I'm going to lightly dust that underneath as well. I'll probably use this reddish brown one right there and go as close as I can to my waterline just so it doesn't look like I have raccoon eyes because that's not cute. Alright, and I think I'm just going to leave my bottom lash line like that. And then going back with this flat shader brush that I was using earlier, I just cleaned it off, but I'm going to use it for my inner corner. I'm going to use my favorite, once again, the ColourPop highlighter in Lunch Money. And I'm just going to grab some of that and place it in my inner corner. We're going to go in with Beam and just place that right on top of Lunch Money. And I'll put that same color into my brow bone. Alright, and then I'm going to smack some falsies onto my eyes, and I'm going to highlight the rest of my face, do my lips, so I'll be right back. Homegirl is back with a finished beat face, and I also did my hair because my hair down was just, I was not having that. And even this messy bun, I don't know how people do messy buns because like my baby hairs, I don't know if you can see that, my baby hairs right there and over here, like I can't stand when they stick up, but you know, it's part of that messy bun look, so I'm gonna just leave it. But yeah, this is the finished look. I just threw some falsies on, and of course, you know, I had to put on a brownish lip with gloss on top because that's my go-to, it's my favorite, and I can never go wrong with it, and it matches the brown smoky eye that I got going on up here. But But yeah, this concludes this week's video. I hope you guys liked it. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos if you haven't already. And also, again, feel free to comment any suggestions that you have for another video that you want me to do. And I also have a vlog of the city, but I will not be uploading it until a little bit. But stay tuned for that. And yeah, that pretty much sums it up. So I will see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all.